Well, I've been to workshops before that has to do with acting or performance, and this time there was always a camera on set.
Made me break some barriers.
You go through so many feelings and changes, and it's incredibly amazing.
I'm able to stay on the stage and I am feeling more confident and I'm believing more in myself as an artist. If you give yourself the freedom of doing things, you have to start with yourself, and this is what's happening here.
I've never had such an intense feeling of knowing what I have to do.
What she leads you through is magic.